Hello everyone, myself Vasanthi Bharati, first MC. Now I here to give you a brief explanation about network topology. A network topology is the physical and logical arrangement of nodes and connection in a network. Nodes usually include devices such as switches, routers and software. With the switch and router features, network topology are often represented as a graph. Why is network topology is important? Network topology plays a major role in how a network functions. Namely, the topology has a direct effect on network functionality. Choosing the right topology can help increase performance, as a probably chosen and maintained network topology increases energy efficiency and data transfer rate. A well-defined network topology makes it easier for network admins to locate faults, troubleshoot, and to allocate network resources. Diagram are as an important reference point in helping to diagnose network issues, as they can represent physical and logical layouts. Administrator can use network topology diagrams to determine the best placement each node and the optimal path for traffic flow. With a well-defined and planned out network topology, an organization can more easily locate faults and fix issues, improving its data transfer efficiency. Network geometry can be defined as the physical topology and the logical topology. Network topology diagrams are shown with the device depicted as network nodes and the connection between them as line. Logical network topologies define how a network is set up, including which nodes connected and how, as well as the pattern of data transfer. Network topology are categorized as either a physical network topology, logical network topology. Physical topology of a network is physical layout of nodes and connections. Bus network topology. In the bus network topology, every node is connected in a series along a single cable. This arrangement is found today primarily in cable broadband distribution networks. In the star bus topology, a central device connects to all other nodes through a central hub. Switched local area networks based on Ethernet switches and post-wired home and office networks have a physical star topology. Thank you everyone, and special thanks for SNS Institute.